how to make only followers can see your post on TikTok. Now hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here, I mean on your post here, this one, and then click these 3 points and on here click privacy settings, and that's it. Here you can manage it, who can view your post, and click followers, and that's it. As you see, it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.